The job market for insurance, financial services and general insurance has actually improved significantly in Q4 of 2012. Naturally, in Q2 and Q3 of 2012, following what was happening through the Euro crisis and the stock markets, we saw a dip in the vacancies. As the markets began to settle, there was renewed confidence and we saw vacancies beginning to rise. This is not just down to what's going on in the markets, this is also down to what's happening with the candidates as well. 77% of our candidates feel either secure or very secure in their current roles, and this is actually causing them to actually begin to look for new roles because they feel that they can move for another role and they will be secure in it. This is creating natural momentum in the job market, and this is the other reason why we're seeing more vacancies come through. Well, we're very confident for 2013, following quite a flat 2012. In the financial services markets, we were waiting for RDR to be implemented in December. This meant that the market was actually very reluctant to actually recruit new people, and everyone was completing their examinations. Post-RDR, we're now beginning to see an increase in the number of vacancies, and we're very confident that this will continue throughout 2013. In general insurance, the commercial risks sectors we're expecting to also develop naturally, both in non-marine, so property, liability and casualty risks we're expecting to develop as the markets remain confident. And also would expect to see probably a more gradual but steady rise in the risks in marine as well. As an employer, it gives you a great opportunity to benchmark not only your salaries, but also how you actually look after your staff and look after the people who actually work for you. From the employers we actually interviewed, we found that 60% of them were actually spending most of their time on L&D issues to make sure that their staff remained highly trained and therefore highly motivated, and 47% of them are actually spending a lot of time looking at internal promotional issues to actually keep hold of their staff. And that's a common theme now and has been since 2012. As an employee, this gives you an invaluable insight, not only into the salaries, because you can benchmark your salary against your peer salaries and also regional variations. It also gives you an opportunity to see how you can develop your career and which areas of the financial services and general insurance markets are doing well, so you can look to develop your career going forwards.